Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring the scope of Photoshop in design world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, understanding the role of Photoshop can greatly enhance your creative journey. Photoshop is like a digital playground for designers. From creating stunning graphics to editing photos, it offers a wide range of tools and features to bring your imaginations to life. Whether you are designing a logo, a poster, or even a website, Photoshop provides the flexibility and versatility you need to make your vision a reality. One of the key features of Photoshop is its extensive toolkit. With tools like brush tool, selection tool, and layer masks, you have everything you need to manipulate images and create designs. Whether you are blending colors, adding textures, or applying filters, Photoshop gives you power to fine tune every detail of your artwork. But Photoshop is more than just a tool, it's a game changer in the design world. With its widespread use among designers, it has become the industry standard for image editing and graphic design. From professional designers to hobbyists, Photoshop has become an essential part of the creative process for millions of people worldwide. The impact of Photoshop can be seen everywhere, from advertisement to movie posters to magazine covers. Its ability to create visually stunning designs has made it important in industries like advertising, marketing, and entertainment. Whether you are designing a product packaging or creating visual effects for a film, Photoshop gives you the tools you need to make your design stand out. As technology continues to evolve, so does Photoshop. With each new update, Adobe introduces innovative features and enhancements that push the boundaries of what's possible in design. From AI powered tools to advanced 3D capabilities, Photoshop is constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of designers. So, Photoshop is not just a software, it's a creative powerhouse that has revolutionized the way we design. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, mastering Photoshop can open up a world of possibilities in the design industry. So, why wait? Start exploring the endless possibilities of Photoshop today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy designing.